So, how's your drift day going, boys?
The karting day, what do you mean?
Doesn't shift very well, does it?
No. And like I said, I kept pushing the brakes thinking I was clutching in.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh fuck, clutch his hand.
Dude, I can't fit. Man, how you adjust the seat, dog?
You don't.
I can't put my foot up, dude. Oh, hot.
Nate, delete the BMW footage, please. Yeah, there's no boost.
Yeah, fuck. Check it right here just to be sure.
No, let's watch full throttle right now.
Yeah, this is really bad. This is honestly way less than even boost, I feel.
Yeah, it's like
Like a super limp mode.
Sounds fucking rad on limiter. Oh yeah. So rowdy, I love it. Dude, for stock angle, not bad. Not bad at all.
You have the keys to the car with the windows up. What's going on, Nate?
Dude, thunderstorm.
We came for the monsoon weather. Fortunately, guys, we got the car ready in 24 hours, but by the time we made it out here, as you can see, I was in the car and I was like, oh man, this is kind of crazy. And then I got out and I was like, holy shit! Yeah, this is way crazier than I thought.
Let's go out on the track, Tim.
Huh?
Let's go out on the track.
No, it's not even fun.
Oh no?
Because like, it's too slippery. Look, like sun's coming out too, but I don't think this seat's gonna dry up now. It will. It's just gonna take It's not hot enough there. No, it will. Especially with people driving on it, the asphalt will get hot. I gotta get a video of Richard right now.
Oh, Richard, you enjoying the rain, bud? Get struck by lightning.
Oh man, you see the stripe over there? The same because it's wet. Like you can tell how much slower I'm going in the wet compared to the dry.
Nice run, Tim.
So it's a 2004 330 Ci. It's pretty much stock drivetrain. I just have an X3 differential, so it's a 4.44 gearing. It's the 6-speed. I have Wise Fab up front, Part Shops Max in the rear, Big Duck Club wide body, and then I built the cage myself. That's pretty much it, I want to say.
Good, sweet. It rips.
Yeah.
That's all that matters, right?
Yeah, I got PBM coils all around too, Part Shops Max. That's basically it. Just keep it simple.
Cool.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Thank you.
Hey, you gotta fix your one halo right here, though.
Oh, you want to see something that's pretty embarrassing? This whole thing moves.
I know, Biggie.
That one's about to come off. Oh yeah, we got the
Months.
I guess I have some more other things. I got a Part Shops Max dual caliper setup, just short shifter. Trying to think if there's anything else.
Hey, that's all you need.
Yeah, I guess keep it simple.
Yeah.
Cage it for tandems and drive it.
Cool.
What was it? Oh, this one would be fun.
Too close or no?
Hey, this car did great today, huh, Tim?
Oh, dude, this car was ripping. We put a wrap on it. We peeled it off before putting it on the trailer, but it was like a black wrap that we put on there. We threw the fenders on.
E46
Well, we just took them all off, just to, load it back up, get it home.
Hey,
F22 front end.
custom mount did good, huh?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy watching your car slide, Eric?
Yeah, sick as fuck. It sounds fucking crazy.
It does sound good.
Yeah, it felt fucking nice. And most importantly, Tim didn't crash my car.
I told you, everything's gonna be alright.
That was dope though.
That car was shredded. I give that car a certified shredder sticker. I need to go get one.
Certified 240. I need to go get one.
True. You can just tell people, yeah, I drift my 240.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh, is it like SR? And you say, no, it's B58.
No, it's
and they're like, huh? What's this guy about? That'd be hilarious, actually. What was it, SR or K8? Oh, it's B58. This dude B58 swapped his 240? What? Because like, you just told me it was like 240. I said, that's all.
Any words, Rob?
It's
No, hopefully had a good time.
Yeah, good time.
Hey, we had a good time. We made the best of it, and obviously this guy wasn't the most satisfying in that sense, but hey, luckily we brought a couple cars, one slider cart, right? But yeah, running around was getting tired. Nate will agree with me, right?
Yeah.
Either way, hey, we had a successful day. The only bad thing is we gotta drive back home now.